In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low FPS and performance issues in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2022. So first thing you will do is go to Steam and find the game. You need to find the game.exe. So I'll do this for this game, follow the same steps for MS Flight Simulator. So you'll go here, right click, and then go to Properties. Then under installed files, go to browse, find Microsoft Flight Simulator.exe, then right click on it, and then properties. Go to compatibility and disable this option. So once this, just click apply and then OK. And then you'll close this down and then close this down. Over here, go to settings. Go to graphics settings, and then you obviously want to enable this option and this one. So what you'll do here is like find the game over here. If you don't see it here, you will have to add it manually. So you can click add desktop app, and you can just basically add the game manually. Once you add the game.exe folder, you'll go to the game and set it to high performance. So choose high performance, and then you can just go here and type in time and date. So sometimes fixing time and date settings can fix your issue. So just make sure you fix the time zone, the region, set these settings just like mine. And once you have everything set correctly, click sync now. And then you'll go here and then go to where it says region. Make sure your region is set correctly as well. So if it's not, make sure you set it correctly. So once you do this, you want to close this down. Next, you'll go here, type in system properties. So it will say something like view advanced system settings. And here, you're going to go to advanced and then go to settings. So here you can select adjust for best performance, and then you can click apply and then OK. Then click apply. So sometimes disabling Windows security can actually fix your lag issues. Sometimes the Windows security is blocking or like just blocking the game from like launching. So you can go to Windows security and then under virus and threat, over here go to manage settings. You can turn off real-time protection and then try to launch the game and see if it works fine. If it does, then come back here again, enable this option, and then under exclusions you want to add the game as to be excluded from the security thing. So you can add an exclusion and go to file and then find the game folder and select the game folder, the whole game folder, and then click open to basically add the folder here, and the Microsoft Windows security won't block it and won't like basically disrupt it. And once you have done all of this, you can just restart your computer and hopefully your issue is fixed.